Some passengers heading to the UK got a wild ride upon arrival. A number of aircraft battled strong crosswinds on September 15.
Go around.
Some were even forced to abandon their landings, performing go-arounds, a term for when an aircraft fails to land and the pilots loop back around to try again.
Bit drifty. No, that's a go around.
Blustery winds rocked planes from side to side on approach, and one, a Lufthansa flight from Frankfurt, even bounced on the runway and tipped before the pilots regained control. The windy weather struck much of Great Britain, with the highest gust of 125 kilometers an hour recorded in the south.